Guys, welcome back to my channel Hot of the Axis. My name is Shomi Paul and I have been absent on making YouTube videos for quite some time. I guess more than quite some time, and for your general knowledge, I'm fine and I'm alive. Not that anyone cares, but still, anyways, I'm just putting out there in the world if anyone cares. Okay, so moving on, I will be coloring my hair today. As you can see, no, I'm not mixing two colors. It's just that one is for myself and one is for my mother. So yeah, she was like, I need to color my hair, and I was like, okay, fine, I'll do it as well. Okay, so I will be coloring my hair in this color. I don't know if you have heard of it, and this is in the shade 360 Black Cherry by L'Oreal Paris Casting Creme Gloss. And this costed, even though it claims that it costed 550 rupees, both of them, but this costed me a little bit more. I couldn't get anywhere this shade in 550. Everywhere it costed 600. Yeah, I'm cheap. Anyways, I don't like paying extra for anything. I mean, like what it claims to be extra than that. Moving on. So I will be coloring this one. This is my color, and this is Black Cherry, as I said, Casting Creme Gloss. And I have already done a video on Casting Creme Gloss, and that shade was in Praline Brown, and this was a few months back. So this is the second time I'm coloring my hair, and the color, as if you want to see that video, I will be providing a link in the description box, and a link will come on the video as well. You can click on the link that will be coming above and see it. I provided a proper tutorial video on how to color your hair, and the whole transformation was over there. Yes, I put a lot of effort in it, so please go and watch it if you want to see something like that. Anyways, so this time I will be Someone Pro will be handling this, because I want to be done with it as soon as possible, because I don't have time today. Anyways, so I will be coloring my hair in this shade, and the color of my hair right now is in the shade of Praline Brown. So that would be like somewhat like this. Okay, so maybe the color would be like this, hoping that the color would be like this, that we can see at the end. So I have to say, but I have to clear one thing. The thing is, like, these colors take a little bit time to develop, or for the people to take notice, because the last time I colored my hair for 1 week, no one would have said that I colored my hair. Nothing was visible. It looked natural brown, the actual color of my hair. But after a few weeks, like around 1 or 2 weeks, the color got a little bit more prominent, and people could say that yes, I have colored my hair. So this says 4 times more glossy. We'll see that. Yes, another thing is, like, these, after applying the color, I don't know, I wasn't sure whether the color of my hair was visible or not, but I could say for sure that my hair got a little bit more bouncier, more glossy, and it looked way better than it normally looks. So yeah, it does that. So yes, another color that my mom will be trying is this 415 in the shade Iced Chocolate, and the color of her hair was in the shade Aishwarya Brown. Yes, the last time she colored her hair was in the shade Aishwarya Brown. This time she would be coloring in the shade of Iced Chocolate 415. I don't know why she likes it, but let's hope for that. So the color of her hair is somewhat like this right now, so we'll be hoping that it looks like this. I will try to show you the transformation. I cannot promise, but I would try to show the transformation after she's done with it. So I'll be going right now, and then color my hair, and then get back and show you the results of the transformation. And let's just hope that it goes well, because I really want this color to be prominent. I don't know why I chose it. It just looked really good. I hope this is visible, the color that is shown here, like the hair color that is shown on this woman. This woman is beautiful. I'm just talking rubbish. I need to go now. Okay, so I will color my hair and come back, and then you can see the results, and I hope it turns out well. So wish me luck. change the angle and let's see if you can see it properly. So this is what my hair color looks like right now. It's a lot way more reddish than it was before. I hope that this is visible. Yeah, and a lot more smoother, I have to say. Like I said earlier in this video, that soon after I color my hair, I have colored. This is my second time I'm coloring my hair. I have colored my hair. So even the first time after I colored, my hair felt a lot more smoother and shinier, and this time it's no different. It feels really good, and the color is lot way more visible than last time I colored my hair. It took a little it took at least 1 week, I don't know how, for other people to notice, and also the color to become a lot way more prominent. But this time it's not the case. I'm not sure it's gonna become more prominent or not in the future, but for now the color looks really visible, and it is almost the color that it was shown in the package, and I'm really happy about it, or satisfied about it. I'm gonna say if I had to rate this product, it has to be 4.5 out of 5. Don't ask me where the 0.5 go. Whatever. So if you ask me if it's worth it for 550 rupees, I would say yes. It is worth it, and I really like it. I really like it, and so black cherry is a thumbs up for me. I have never colored my hair like, I always wanted to color my hair like this, but I was a little bit skeptical last time, because I wasn't sure how the color is gonna turn out, whether it will be good for my hair or harmful for my hair. So I colored praline brown. If you want to check out that video, like I said, you can go to my description box or click on the link that will be coming above. But after I colored my hair, I was like pretty sure, okay fine, this is gonna work. So I did this. Yes, this, and I like it. I kind of like it. So with that being said, the color is really good. The hair feels quite smooth and nice. So with that being said, this is the end of my video. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if you did, please share it with your friends and family, and see you in my next video. And I hopefully will be uploading the next video soon enough and not delay so much. Okay, so with that being said, bye, take care, see you in my next video.